sunlight streams through the window, a young girl wakes up and heads to her pristine kitchen. Her mission? To brew the perfect cup of coffee with her Breville coffee machine. The Breville Barista Express is her trusted companion, delivering third-wave specialty coffee right at home. Part of the Barista series, this all-in-one espresso machine features an integrated grinder, transforming beans to espresso in under a minute. With dose control grinding, the precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand, ensuring the right amount of freshly ground coffee for any roast. The machine's low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure, drawing out flavors evenly for a balanced cup. Digital temperature control, or PID, delivers water at the perfect temperature for optimal espresso extraction. The grind size dial offers intuitive control, while the innovative grinding cradle lets you grind directly into the portafilter. Accessories include a razor-dose trimming tool, stainless steel portafilter, and more. Plus, earn cash back and receive free coffee beans with purchase. The young girl sips her coffee, smiling. I like coffee. I like Breville. You are worth having.